We can report that the murder, which took place on the 6th of April 2023, a video was being circulated regarding that incident. One person was held subsequent to that murder and has since been charged. He is Ron Davis, OC Dragon, a 19-year-old student of a Seaview Gardens address. Was charged on the 13th of April for the murder of Greg Smith, which was committed on April 6. I want to appeal to persons who may have seen or witnessed any other incident to share information with the police. Our detectives in the St. Andrews South Division are very relentless in pursuing and ensuring that they gather all the information to form proper case files, and so that we can have convictions in our court.